Welcome to Get It's comprehensive guide to mastering CD laddering, a strategic investment approach for achieving financial stability and growth. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of CD laddering, empowering you to take charge of your financial future. Let's start by understanding the fundamentals of CD laddering and its significance in securing your financial stability. Follow our step-by-step approach to grasp the concept effectively and lay the groundwork for a successful CD ladder. Step 1. Determining your financial goals and time horizon. Begin your CD laddering journey by defining your financial goals and determining your desired time horizon. Explore how this initial step sets the stage for a tailored CD ladder that aligns with your specific financial aspirations. Step 2. Selecting suitable CD types and terms. Next, learn the art of selecting the most suitable CD types and terms that cater to your financial objectives. Gain insights into the intricacies of interest rates and maturity periods, enabling you to make informed decisions for your CD ladder. Step 3. Establishing your ladder structure. Dive into the process of establishing your CD ladder structure with precision and foresight. Understand how to strategically distribute your investments across different maturity periods, ensuring a balanced approach to risk and returns. Step 4. Managing renewals and maturation. Learn the art of managing renewals and maturation within your CD ladder. Discover effective strategies for reinvesting and rolling over your matured CDs, optimizing your ladder for continuous growth and stability. Meet John and Emily, two individuals who transformed their financial futures through disciplined CD laddering. John, a young professional, utilized CD laddering to save for a down payment on his first home, while Emily, a retiree, secured her post-retirement income with a carefully crafted CD ladder. Their stories highlight the transformative power of this investment strategy. As you conclude this insightful journey, embrace the path to financial stability with Get It. Empower yourself with the art of CD laddering and unlock the door to lasting financial success. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and guidance on wealth management and investment strategies. Don't miss out on valuable resources. Subscribe now and visit our website for further expert guidance and tools on mastering CD laddering and achieving financial stability. Get It is your trusted partner in securing your financial future and prosperity.
Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not legal, compliance, or financial advice. Please consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.